Okay, let's break down what an Internet of Things IoT circuit breaker is. Think of it as a standard circuit breaker, that essential safety device in your electrical panel that automatically cuts off power when it detects an overload or short circuit, but enhanced with Internet connectivity and core functionality same as traditional breaker. Its primary job remains the same: protect electrical circuits and prevent damage or fires by interrupting the flow of electricity when it exceeds safe levels due to overcurrents or short circuits. IoT enhancement, the smart part. Connectivity. It includes communication modules like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Z-Wave, or others that allow it to connect to the internet or a local network hub. Remote monitoring. You can check the status of the circuit breaker on, off, or tripped. Remote control. You can remotely turn the circuit breaker on or off. This allows you to control power to specific circuits without physically being at the panel. Crucially, while remote reset after a trip is often possible, it should be done with extreme caution, as you need to understand why it tried. Notifications and alerts. It can send real-time alerts to your phone or email if the breaker trips, if there's an overload condition, or based on other predefined parameters. Benefits of IoT circuit breakers. Convenience. Remote monitoring and control eliminates the need to physically check the breaker panel. Enhanced safety. Faster notification of trips can lead to quicker problem identification. Monitoring can help detect potential issues before they cause a major